Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel subscriptions in Stripe. It's so simple and easy. First of all, make sure to log in into your account with your right credentials. Once you get redirected to this dashboard, just go to the left menu, scroll down. In the products section, select billing. After that, you can find the subscription element right here. Select subscriptions. Then from here, you will find all the subscriptions you did initiate. You just want to find the subscription you want to cancel or pause. Hover this bar to the right and then go to the right three dots right here, select it, and then you just need to select cancel subscription in red to select immediately or the end of the period or a custom date as you want. I usually select immediately. For the refund, if you have a subscription in the trial, you cannot select or switch on this item, but if you do have a subscription in the regular basis, you can select no refund. After that, select cancel subscription and it is cancelled successfully. If you find this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and see you on the next one.